Striking fear into enemy combatants worldwide, the M1 Abrams tank has become renowned for its formidable power on the battlefield. Manufactured by General Dynamics, its total cost including training and maintenance is over $10 million. Named after General Creighton Abrams, who commanded military operations during the Vietnam War. The tank was first introduced in 1980 with the intention of providing unparalleled dominance in combat situations. Its impressive features include main guns capable of firing 4.7-inch projectiles, rigid armor layered with steel and depleted uranium, and caterpillar tracks powered by gas turbine engines. The M1 Abrams tank is being actively used by the Ukrainian military to defend its eastern border against Russian-backed separatists. The tank's heavy armor and powerful main gun make it a formidable asset on the battlefield, especially in urban combat situations. Additionally, the tank's advanced sensors and targeting systems allow it to engage enemy targets with precision from a distance. However, it should be noted that the Abrams has some vulnerabilities, including its weight and vulnerability to certain types of weapons, such as rocket-propelled grenades. The M1 is not only a powerful weapon, but also a testament to technological advancements. It has undergone two subsequent iterations, namely the M1A1 and M1A2, which are heavier and slower, but equipped with even more potent armaments and advanced technology. Despite the increased weight and slower speed, all three designs remain in use on battlefields worldwide. M1 Abrams tank's armor is one of its most impressive features. It is composed of multiple layers of composite materials, such as depleted uranium and ceramics, which provide outstanding protection against anti-tank weapons. The thickness of the armor varies depending on the area of the tank, with the frontal turret armor being the thickest at around 1,000 millimeter. The tank's side and rear armor are slightly thinner, but still provide significant protection. The M1's armor has been continually upgraded over the years to keep up with new and evolving threats, making it one of the most well-protected tanks in the world. In addition to its incredible durability, the tank also boasts impressive mobility despite its massive size and weight. This can be largely attributed to its tracks, which consist of continuous steel plates connected by chainmail. These tracks enable the M1 to navigate through difficult terrain that traditional wheels would struggle with, including steep inclines and deep crevices. As a result, the tank can engage targets with precision and power, regardless of the environment. The M1 Abrams tank's mobility is attributed to its continuous steel plate treads, which are wrapped around a set of 7 road wheels on both sides and powered by drive sprockets. The engine used for the tank is called Honeywell AGT 1500 and is a gas turbine engine. It uses a 3-stage axial flow turbine and a reverse flow annular combustor. The engine can burn a variety of fuels and is capable of producing up to 1,500 horsepower. It is known for its durability and reliability and has been in service for over 30 years. Apart from having low weight, the engine's design also allows for easy maintenance and repair. With the tanks weighing over 60 tons, the engine needs to be strong enough to effectively carry the load, and it enables the tanks to reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. They also have a 265-mile range due to a 500-gallon fuel tank. The M1 Abrams comes equipped with an M256 4.7-inch smoothbore main gun. Its rounds are over 20 times the size of those fired by an AK-47. The gun has a range of 1.9 miles and is equipped with stabilizers that enable it to stay locked onto its target, no matter the terrain. The tank is also equipped with a diverse range of destructive rounds, including armor-piercing sabots and anti-tank explosive rounds. This enables the tank to swiftly neutralize enemy tanks on the battlefield. Moreover, the military is currently developing an advanced multi-purpose round that can demolish obstacles in the M1's path, deter anti-tank guided missiles, and penetrate strong bunker defenses. With networking technology on the tank and round, gunners can even detonate these explosive shells remotely, enhancing the tank's already impressive precision. The M1 Abrams also features up to 3 additional machine guns for anti-personnel use. These machine guns are mounted on top of the main gun, and crew members can access them through their respective hatches. In addition to its main armaments, the M1 is equipped with 2 M250 smoke grenade launchers, which release smoke to obscure the tank's location during combat. The tank requires a 4-person crew, including a commander, loader, gunner, and driver. The commander, responsible for directing the tank towards mission objectives, is located in the turret basket along with the loader and gunner. The loader's role is to load the gun, while the gunner operates the fire control computer to guide the gun towards its target. Meanwhile, the driver is situated near the front of the tank and must assume a nearly prone position due to the limited space. The driver of the tank operates traditional brake controls using a handle for steering and acceleration. The M1 Abrams has been utilized by 8 different countries in their ground battles, and production of new models still continues to this day, more than 40 years since its first appearance in combat. With upcoming models set to feature auto-loading capabilities, improved targeting systems, greater speeds and mobility, it remains to be seen how long it will retain its title as the top tank globally.